Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. Today I am doing a plan with me video in my Happy Planner. And this is the last week in my Happy Planner, the last week of December and the first week of January. So we are going into the 1st of January, which is a new year. So we're going to be going into 2021. So yes, we'll be going into a new year, and we'll be starting a new planner. That's exciting. So if you like planners, plan with me videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell. Make sure you click it for all notifications, and let me know down in the comments also that you like them. Say hello to me, and I'll keep doing these for 2021. I haven't done a whole lot of them, but I will plan to do more of these, and I'm going to show you how to use some Stampin' Up products in your planners and journals. If you like journal videos as well, not just planners but journals, I'll show you how to use these, incorporate these in your planners and journals, because that's what I'm going to be working on for 2021. Not just cards, but planners and journals. Okay, and I'm hoping to maybe try and do some scrapbooking for 2021 as well, after I get more settled. So if you like that, we'll be trying to do some of that too. Now I'm using in this now Brightly Gleaming. This is a very pretty double-sided designer series paper. Stampin' Up has beautiful papers. This actually came in a 12 by 12. You can cut it down, and right now it's cut down into a 6 by 6. And they're all double-sided. The paper's a very nice weight paper too. And I thought this would be perfect to use for this spread, since it's supposed to be New Year's spread. This would be great for Christmas. This did come out of the holiday catalog, and you can just do so much with this. You don't have to use it for Christmas or whatever. And then I'm going to use this stamp set. It's a double set stamp set. It's a Wish for Everything. It's a cling stamp set, and like I said, you don't have to use this stuff for just cards, and that's what I want to try and show some of y'all that don't make cards, how you can incorporate this in other things, paper crafting. I'm going to be using where is it, the New Year's, the Happy, and the New Year's. This has got a lot of, here, we'll flip it over. Happy, and one slipped out of there, one Happy, and New Year's. It's on here somewhere. There it is, right there. I'll be using those stamps right there. And then I'll put this set away. So this is a real good one. There's a lot of really good ones that you can use in your planners. Well, all of them are good because you can use the images, the words, anything. Just let your imagination go. Let's go ahead and get this on blocks ready. Too small for that. We'll do Happy. See, there's two Happy. There's another one if you want the regular Happy, but I think I want the big one. And New Year's. Go. get these sized up too perfect. Normally I would be more particular about it, but since this is my last spread page, I'm not going to be all particular about this. I won't worry about it, and hopefully my OCD won't drive me crazy. Like I said, I won't be seeing it but this last week, so hopefully it won't bother me too bad. Hoping I can get this in here to punch. Maybe it won't look so bad after it's punched. Okay, it doesn't look quite so bad once it's punched. So that's good. That is good. Now let's see if I can get this one in. Alright, so there is my planner set up. I may want to add some stickers or stamp something else a little later on, but that's all I'm going to do, and I like that a lot, and I think that's what I'm going to start doing so that I can show y'all just how to use the Stampin' Up! Products in your planners and journals. And I've got some journals that I've been saving and use, and I'm going to start showing y'all, yeah, how you can paint with the inks and do some stamping and using all these different products in your journals and planners. And I think y'all will really enjoy that, because there's a lot of people that I think you just don't realize you can use these products in other ways. And there you go. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and remember to give me a thumbs up, share, comment down below. Please let me know what you think. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and I'll see you again soon. Thank you again so much for watching, and y'all have a very blessed day.